any fight. This is fighting, right? So go again. Can you see we're fighting? But now do it again. Can you see? I never fought you. Right? There's no fighting. So normal people, you're fighting. So move on me, you see. This is normal. But not fighting. Right? David? Yeah. Okay, stay there, okay? You have to complete the next move without fighting him. So trap him more with your foot.
Foot here?
No, trap him all the way. That's it. You have to go to the front and be there without fighting his body. Okay, stay there. See, you're fighting. See, he can't even stand. I'll show you. So watch here, okay? Now we are here. As you move here, and a little bit here, this is very difficult. That's why we cannot do it. We all fight. At that point, can you see you go like this here? Now the fighting is the next move. If you already fought, you don't have a next move. Every move is about trapping him. You have not started. So at this point, the top goes, the bottom comes back to me. Every move is a setup. Don't fight. Never fight. The fight is that one blow. When the book is halfway, that's the fight. Before that, if you use the strength, it's unnecessary. See, when we touch, see, as soon as you touch, can you see we're here? Right? Even if you push me, like push, this is like this, watch. No fighting, right? If you cannot do that constantly, we are fighting, that's no good. So as soon as he moves, can you see we're here already? Do the same move again, avoid the fight.